A really long day of testimony inside Madison Circuit Court 3 for the competency hearing for Carl Boards. Boards is charged with the July 2022 murder of Elwood police officer Noah Shahnavaz during a traffic stop. Today was the competency hearing, and the headline is that 2 of 3 court-appointed psychiatrists have stated and told the court that Carl Boards is not competent to stand trial at this time. One psychiatrist testified that Boards believes he has a microchip in his head that's able to read his thoughts, and that Boards cannot rationally consult with his attorneys, and that he suffers from overtly delusional beliefs. Another psychiatrist said that Boards suffers from persecutory delusions, psychotic in nature, and he needs medication because of mental illness.
His wife, not by law, but by religion, also testified. And when she was on the witness stand, Carl Boards cried, sobbed, and screamed in the courtroom to the point where the judge called for a recess, and Boards had to be taken out of the courtroom until he regained his composure.
Carl Boards wanted to and even did testify himself at this competency hearing, which the prosecution says just shows that he is competent to stand trial. The judge has given both sides 5 days to file briefs on today's testimony and their conclusions about Carl Boards' competency, but then ultimately it will be up to the judge, Andrew Hopper, to decide if Carl Boards is competent to stand trial. That death penalty trial is scheduled for January, but obviously could be delayed if the judge would decide that Carl Boards is not competent to stand trial at this time.